a stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, this has just reminded me of my 10K steps, my 10,000 steps that I was doing every morning and every evening. I looks like what happened, but my knee couldn't take it because I felt like so I literally stopped. So after that, but I miss them. I literally miss them. I hope you guys are well and doing great. If it's your first time tuning in on this vlog, and thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure that you subscribe, baby, and you like this video, okay? Guys, today is Thursday. We're going for an amazing, should I say hike? Or what? I don't know what to call it, but I'm looking forward to it. I was wishing I could catch a sunrise, but I keep boning, guys. It seems like it's already out where I'm going. It seems like it's already out, and I don't want to miss that. I'm so sad. I'm so sad, but anyway, this is me starting a new vlog. I hope you guys will enjoy it. So yeah, so let's get into it and see what the day has for us. Let me show you guys what you can't see because there's a tree now. Wow. Let me show you. See what I'm talking about? You guys can see because there's a tree. If it's in the thing that I'm talking about, so most probably the sun is already out there. But anyway, good morning, rise and shine. The sun is out. I'm literally sunlight. So it's
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July.
the beauty of God's creation. Oh, this is so amazing. Guys, do you want to see what I'm seeing?
The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
Guys, we're literally enjoying ourselves in here. The quietness that this place has, 10 out of 10, baby. Actually 100 out of whatever. Because wow, the peace. Couldn't enough. Very cute, very teamy. God's creation is so amazing. It is literally amazing. I've been trying to take content. Where's my Dockers shades? Let me show my people.
Where are they?
Lagato's been laughing at me, guys. Lagato has shown me instance. Where are they? Guys, Lerato once like
It's giving.
and,
It's giving.
and they ate but Ari. What are they giving what?
Bona, utanne bicycle fail. Why kayo ya? I'm a fool.
Guys, wait, let me go get the shades. Because if you don't look at so jealous of me right now. I want you guys to see these shades, okay? Just comment down and let me know what you think.
Push that back. Lisa, come around. You push it. Wait, push that back. Push that back.
Someone else, guys.
Take off the hat. Do you want to listen? Ah.
Oh, God. Woo! What a life.
Take off the hat. Do you want to listen? The people are not seeing what I'm
The
seeing.
people are not seeing.
Baholo must see. Wait, Baholo.
What do you guys think? I can't guess. I am in my slaying era. I can't, guys.
I am the drama.
I am the girl that I think I am. I can't go hide. How do I look? How do I look, Larato?
Wabo? Give her a bicycle already. Quick and fast. Listen,
I need bicycle for these shades. What is that? Bona.
It's giving Mariki.
But I'm not going to like, guys.
It's giving Mariki Kukamor.
Oh, Lord.
Boy,
What is happening?
Child.
Okay, let me put them like this. I should put them like this, by feet.
Yeah, Babo.
It's
giving
better.
Betty.
And it's giving.
Bon, it's giving Betty
Instagram.
of the season.
And it's giving Banyana Instagram. But how can you be there? How can you be like this?
Bon, Mary. Panoramic. Makala de ala got the Cape Flats, child. Ala aslamero. No. It's giving the baddest bitch on the block. The baddest Betty ever.
They shifty. Sanakana and Kitty.
Ngaru kukwane yana yana. Insect and safe it up. Sekabadi so como.
Oh, are you cooking? Yo, guys, no. No.
Child.
Can you look at my talent?
Just to the front.
I'm leaving them to the
the
people of the mountain because what the hell, honey? What the hell?
They're like,
They're not giving. We're not like this.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, that she is, I got gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Let the door say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave. I see the dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now shorty grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave. I see the dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You tryna leave? Oh, I saw you dance with you. Now I love to keep you here with me, you baby.
Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Homie, make her understand. Y'all make the dance like this. Y'all make the bounce like this. Let her know she was made for you. And you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Guys, am I not the Beyonce of the mountain right now? Like, look at me, the hat. This is Lorato's hat. I just bought it. And it looks like very cutie young. Yo, like I look like Beyonce of the mountain. Yo. What a life. What an actual life. Let me tripod on, by the way. It isn't a tripod. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh, this feels so amazing. What are we going to do tripod all the time? Yeah.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Smoothie hela ho.
I'm a vlogger. Guys, I want this girl to tell you already. How was our day? How is she feeling? Because we're jealous for my shades. And right now,
Now
I'm
I'm
about to
feeling.
have quarters.
I'm feeling hungry, Shem.
I'm so hungry. Like, I
I
am
guess I would
literally the
see-
hungriest
I'm done
girl in
understanding.
this whole world right now.
I guess I would see
I'm so sleepy. It's like 1 o'clock. I'm trying to just finish up.
Capitalize little tomorrow.
No, finish up the vlog so that I can have space.
Vlog for today.
Yeah, space, my phone. And right now, I'm going to try for me to post. And I need to update people. Guys, my phone, my phone doesn't want to charge. The life that I'm living.
People must do the logs.
Godzilla was supposed to be with us. She has chargers with her. And again, with her. She didn't come. Look.
It's
11 o'clock. So I'm so sorry that I get local update on my vlog that is coming up right now. So ma'am, tell us how was the day?
Yeah, what's up, boo? What's up, boo?
How was the day, guys? Hi
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
It's your girl right here. Okay?
What is it?
Please make sure that you subscribe and you like. Or else.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I remember last time y'all said I should tell you what I use. Kana ko azang ramutis. Azang.
That's how we vlog, guys. But you can
Not you specifically.
But
Because
that's how we like. Sometimes you would tell people to just comment down below about something. They never do. So you have to just carry on with it conversation by yourself because nobody is commenting, nobody's saying anything. So rather,
in
you
your
can
comment
just
section,
tag
there's
it
always something. We're always asking you something. Last time you guys asked me what I use for my hair, asigbuzanga. Namanga. Asigbuzanga kidibonu namanga. Yo, what's suki?
La rejaja. Yo, la rejaja, guys.
Hi, mara khana re mmoditse ke di bone sentse re update.
Yo, dog has la rejaja like. Yo, la rejaja.
Wait, I don't know how to learn the guy.
Guys, la one since ke balance. Oh, my life right now.
I don't know.
I just need a new phone. That's it. I need a new phone. If I could get a new phone, I'll be fine in my life. And I look so beautiful.
It's so nice, isn't it?
My face is clear. And my face is breaking, guys. I get push here or kim go or what's going on.
Probably is PMS.
But my face is not giving. And I love that Pusha M product. I love when my skin is glowing.
I think it was just saying, okay, just PMS. PMS comes with a whole lot of nonsense.
Right? Yo, guys, go too much.
Yeah. How does that go at fuck off?
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That ever never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. Let's cut it all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. Let's cut it all into my time. My time with you,
phone. Storage settings is full. So let me leave you. If you still watching this video, thank you so much. I'll see you guys definitely when I get home. Or tomorrow maybe. I don't know. But I had the most amazing day ever. Alright. Just that phone we are I am bored because it doesn't wanna be a phone. Di batla go nna kana ba e bitsang movie set. Ba e bitsang ba batla go nna movie set. It's no longer an iPhone, it's a movie set. So
I have to cooperate.
I have to cooperate. Oh guys, patrocinality setting. Ke kopa le ntle kwa Saddam. If you stay in Mariska, tla kwa Saddam o tlo go ja ditshebetso kwa Saddam. Okay? A la plaka guys. Okay? Uriang. Ke gona se jang actually. I puelele se yang.
Richard is doing the things. Muricho is doing the things.
La mo tlhaloganya ke? Thank you. So let us eat and enjoy our food. We shall see you guys when you see it, okay?